Hello, fellow Redditors. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're getting into the basics. I'm going to show you how to create a Reddit post. Whether you're sharing a cool story, asking a question, or sharing your latest masterpiece, creating a post is where it all starts. Let's get started. Open the Reddit app on your mobile and sign into your Reddit account. Make sure you are signed into your Reddit account. By opening the application, look for the option to create a post. It is usually located at the bottom of the screen in the middle in the form of a plus. Click on it. Opening the page, there are two columns. The first is related to the name of the subtitle, and the second is related to the text. Now, if you want to insert a picture or video or even a document, you will have to exit the application. By opening your gallery, choose which picture or video you want to upload. In my case, I already have it prepared. Look for the Sir option and click on it. Look for the Reddit app and click on it. The image has been transferred automatically. Now all you have to do is enter the name and explain something about it in the text below the image. You can do the same with a video recording or a document. When you finish all that, click on Next and choose a community. And there you have it. Creating a post on Reddit is easy. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Reddit tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy publishing!